A marriage proposal will knock on your door, and finally, you will live the love story you dream of. So keep watching this video, and I will reveal the initial of the person who will ask you to be their partner at the end of the video. But for this to happen, I need you to connect with me, commenting the lucky number of love 8888. Now, there is someone who loves you very much and has been thinking about proposing to you for a long time. It's someone you feel connected to, someone you think about 24 hours a day. You're almost giving up. Because this person has always been very slow, very indecisive with both of you, brought you many UPS and downs, left you very confused. They have been thinking a lot about the two of you in the past few days and have decided to propose a serious relationship to you. This person loves you very much regardless of whether you ended the relationship. But this time he's serious. He really wants to go out with you and will ask you to be his partner. And I will reveal who that person is. Click to share on WhatsApp. And the second person has the initial of the person who will ask you to be their partner. May the universe bless you.